Retired NASCAR driver Richard Dick Trickle passed away on Thursday, May 16, from an apparent self-inflicted gunshot. According to a statement released by the authorities, before Trickle's death, dispatcher officer received a phone call, which is believed coming from Trickle. The caller said that there would be a dead body at Forest Lawn Cemetery and it would be his. The officer tried to reach back to the number, but received no response. Emergency units later found Trickle's body near his pickup truck at the cemetery, which is located in Bossier City, North Carolina. Lieutenant Detective Tim Johnson said that a note was found in the scene and there were no suspicion of foul play. However, ESPN reported that the police would still conduct an investigation, because it was the standard for cases like this. He called in. "It's not the first time we've had these. It's always a sad situation, even sadder for the family," Johnson said. He added that further information such as the content of the note and the suspected gun type would not be revealed to public. "We are trying to protect the family as much as possible, and they had just gotten notified right after it happened. We are trying to respect their privacy," he explained.